Organizational behavior is basically studying the behavior of individuals that are the people who are working in the organization. We study their behavior, and it is being researched that organizational behavior, that is the behavior of individual, is based on the situation that is there in the organization. So various psychiatrists and behavioral scientists have emphasized by their researches that individual behavior is a function of interaction between the personal characteristics of the individuals and the environmental variables. So you need to understand the personal behavior then only, and what are the situations that are there around him. When you understand the behavior of the person with in context to the situation, then only you can understand how the person behaves in a particular situation. So there are four situations that affects the behavior of an individual. The four situational thinking variables are human element, the people are difference, the difference among the people, that is the reason for different situations that are there in the organization, because every individual is different. There are technical factors related to production method, equipments, management procedures, specializations of skills, the jobs that the individuals are doing, the skills they have. There is a vast difference that also leads to difference in the behavior of individual. The space time dimension, that is the relationship between the size of the plant they are working, the location where the plant is being located, the office or the workstation. Depending upon that, a person behavior is being influenced by the space dimension also. And the organizational wide policies, that is the organizational policies that are designed to achieve the major organizational objective, that also affects the behavior of the individual. So we can say that organizational behavior is always situational based, and it depends upon the human element, because human beings are different. Technical factors, because technically everything is different. The time space dimension, that is difference of size, location, office. The organizational policies that are there in the organization, if organizational policies are for the development of employees effectiveness will ultimately be greater as compared to others.